Hi guys, this is my third experiment, which is EMS, Employee Management System. Here I'm using a grid view over here. Then for and then we are having SQLite database, which is used over here. And then in main activity, this is the main activity where I am having where I'm having a text views and a text view edit text, two edit text and the one button. This is for username and password. See here, this is the username and this is the password, and this is for login. And I have created a database handler class, which is which contains all the details of on create, on upgrade, add data, display, search, and search, delete, and authentication and all. First, on create and on upgrade are overdone, and then by using SQL database object, I'm creating a table name, employee details with employee ID, employee name, employee password, and salary, etc. And then for if I am upgrading, on upgrade method will drop the table if by using this exe SQL function, db.exe SQL function will contain this statement. And then the drop table will drop the particular employee if it is available. If not, we have to create it once more. And then add data. This will add this will add the particular values that is given by the user. And then this is open get writable database, so that any values that is upgraded can be changed. But it is done by using content values class, and then by using the object, and this putting the values to the particular keys: employee ID, employee name, employee password, and salary, department, and employee details. And then while coming for display, where I'm opening in again a readable mode, not in a writable mode, because I need to only display it. And then by using raw query function, I'm just selecting all the columns from the employee details, and then I'm storing it in an array. Then when I want to display it, I'm using a cursor dot move to next string, so it will pass on to string of array of 0 to 3. And then I'm just returning the array. And then coming back to the search, I'm opening in a readable database, and by using a cursor object, I'm using cursor object. And then for search, we will be giving an employee ID, and then by the ID that is given by the user, it has been searched and it will be displayed. And then if that is given by this statement, select star from employee, where employee ID is equal to this is given by the user. And then for the delete, the employee IDs will be given by the user. And then this is also done by this statement, delete from employee details. And then the result will be stored in the result array. And then for authentication purpose, if there are three kinds of authentication: the people who are not logged into the system, do not have access over it, and the people who have admin permission, and people who can just see the details. If the password is equal to admin, it will give you first level permission, which is admin. And then if not, it gives you second level permission, so for the normal people. And if not, it goes to people who are unauthorized users. And then personal search, this is for only the people of second level, who can only access who can just see the details that is entered. By using select star from employee details, where employee name will be given by the user. And then coming back to the main, this is for the database handler. And then by using this the class, I'm just calling this database handler. And then if the word is I'm just authenticating it by using this value. And then if the word is equal to if the value is equal to 1, it goes to options.class. If the value is equal to 2, it goes to personal display.class. Here the option.class is for admin level, personal display.class is for the people who are just want to display it. If not, it will be given as unauthorized user. Then when coming to the options.class, here we are having a, I'm displaying it a grid view. So I'm just using a grid view over here. See, this is the design of this. Design part of this is because I'm using a num column as 2, it is displaying at this like this. And then options.class, where here I'm using image adapter, where special image has been given to it, and it is shown as a grid view. And this class is also created an image adapter, where I'm having a particular images in a array, and then I'm just having different images over here. And then get count, get item id, or the functions that returns a particular things. And then get view, which is to be overridden, and then this will give you the exact grid view by using the set padding and the set scale type, set layout params. These are the functions that can be used for the grid view layout. And then it will return an image view. Oh, that is given to this options.class. Here it is set to this set adapter is a function that is used to set that image adapter into this grid view. So when I click over the particular position, it will be displayed according to it. If the position is 0, it goes to add.class. If the position is 1, it goes to delete.class. If put 2, it goes to search, and 3 display. If 4, it goes to the main activity. 4 means in this I'm having logout is for logout button will goes back to the main activity. And then coming back to the add.class, where people will be getting the details from the user. See, I'm having a edit text here, id, name, department, salary, and passwords, which will be given get from the user. And by using the same database handler class, I'm just inserting the data into the employee details table. And then it is by using get text, I'm just getting the names, and I'm storing it in a string variable. And then calling the add data, which is from the database handler. And the particular key values will be matched with the value. And then after adding the data, it will be toasted as data is added. And then it goes back to the normal for options.class. This is for add.java. Then coming back to the delete, for delete, here we will be getting the same delete text values, and then id and all, because people will be getting which particular id you need to delete. By getting the id, we can able to delete that particular row alone by using db.delete function, which is in a database handler. And then the particular value will be deleted, and the rest of the things will be displayed over here. Then coming to the display, same like that of all the thing, same like that of the first two. And then by using the same database handler class, and by using db.display, which is a function that is in the database handler, and the result will be stored in result string variable of result array. And then it will be displayed according to it. And here I'm having a text view over here. And then for search, I will be having a particular text view and edit text, where edit text means we will be getting from according to that id, it will be searched and it will be displayed. If the id is not there, it will be showing as no records found. If id is there, it will be displayed like this. And then coming to personal display, this is for the people who can just view it, not edit it. This is only for the people who can display it. So it is for db.personal search. This is a particular function that is in database handler. This is only for the just displaying it. And coming to the for output, I'm just showing this. I'm having a default username and password like admin. When I click over here, it goes back to the it goes to here, and then this is for the add. When I am adding some values, employee ID. If employee ID, I'm just giving employee name, department, it will be added over there. And then when I want to search, I am using this employee same employee ID 081. It will search the particular value and it will be displayed. And then when I want to display it, it will be displaying like this. When I want to delete it, by using the same employee ID, we can able to delete it. The particular row is deleted, so we don't have any other options. So when I click over the logout button, it goes back to the first page. This is for people for admin level users. Okay, that's all for this experiment. Thank you.